today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a fluffy chicken. Starting off with the materials, you're going to need 3 different colors of Feels Like Bliss yarn. Today I'll be using white, peach, and buttercup. Next you're going to need safety eyes. I am using 6mm. Then you'll need a crochet hook. I'm using a 3.5. You'll need your scissors, a needle and threader, and optional but highly recommended is a stitch marker. We're going to be starting in white. So to begin, make a magic circle with 6 stitches in it. Next, we're going to do 1 increase in each stitch for a total of 12 stitches at the end of this round. For round 3, we're going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now we're going to repeat the following sequence, which is 1 increase, 1 single crochet, 6 times around for a total of 18 stitches. Now for round 5 to 8, we're going to just do 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now that we finished round 8, we're going to repeat the following sequence, which is 1 decrease, 1 single crochet 6 times for a total of 12 stitches at the end of this round. Now we're going to put in the eyes and stuff the body. We place the eyes between rounds 5 and 6, 3 stitches apart. For the last round on the body, we're going to do 6 decreases. To fasten off, you're going to do a slip stitch and then leave a long tail for sewing. Now we're going to be working on the finishing details such as the wings, the feet, the beak, and the comb. So first we're just going to sew close the hole at the bottom. Now to create the wings, we're going to create a loop between one of the stitches between rows 6 and 7. I like to do this one stitch out from the eye. So there's the stitch for the eye, and then one stitch over. Pull the yarn through. Then just go across one stitch like this. And pull it through to create a little loop. To create the thickness and the bump of the arm, we're just going to weave the yarn through this loop approximately 5 to 7 times. Now we're going to repeat this on the opposite side. After you've completed both wings, you can fasten off the white yarn. Before cutting it, I like to weave it across a few stitches just for the extra security. Next, we're going to be working on the beak and the feet, so taking your yellow yarn. First, we're going to weave it across the stitches between the eyes twice. So that's once. And that's twice. Now we're going to make the feet, so we're going to repeat the same process we used for the arms, except this time we'll be making the loops between rows 8 and 9. For placement, I like to use this spot between the wings and the feet as placement. So there's the first loop again, and we're also just going to go through 5 to 7 times. We're going to repeat the same thing on the opposite side. To fasten off the yellow, I like to poke it back through where the original strand is, and then tie a knot. Cut off the excess yarn, and then just tuck the knot into the body. Now moving on to the comb, we're going to take our orange yarn and we're going to use the magic circle as a guide. So poking through to the front where the face is, you're going to find the magic circle and try to keep it as centered as possible. And then following the same thing, going on the back side of the magic circle. To create a loop like this. The width is about 2 stitches wide for the comb. Now we're just going to go back through the loop several times until we create a large bump like this. Once your loop is your desired size, we're going to fasten it off the same way we did the yellow. So just tying a knot with the orange yarn. Cutting off the excess. And then tucking the knot into the body. This next step is completely optional, but if you want to achieve the extra fluffiness of your chicken, you can use a cat brush to brush out the yarn and create the extra fuzzy effect. And now to clean it up, you can just cut away some of the extra fluff. And that's how you make a fuzzy crochet chicken. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!